Cleared Hot。怀旧的直升机射击游戏具有令人满意的物理和轻战术元素，射击、躲避，在战场上移动你的小队，用你的缆绳和磁铁捡起几乎任何东西。通过完全基于物理的行动，你可以发挥创造力，利用环境发挥你的优势，用你的火箭让敌人在空中咆哮，或者用你的绳子向敌人扔石头。夜晚的行动更为热烈，在黑暗的掩护下飞行，利用你的夜视仪或热成像仪来搜索敌人，运送你的小队占领敌方领土，或将他们安置在你自己的基地，明智地部署他们以完成你的目标，并尽量不要在过程中损失太多。拉住一个敌人或其他任何热源，干扰飞来的热追踪导弹，携带一辆坦克来帮助你攻击敌人的基地，拾起敌人，让他们飞向死亡。你可以拿起任何没有束缚的东西，所以要有创造力，完全基于物理学，发现新兴的玩法。
Who am I? I'm the guy they call when they need the kind of big gun energy that makes the US of A the most fearsome. Or I was that guy. And now that I grabbed this bad boy off eBay, I may just be that guy again. Don't call it a comeback, unless you wanna. Which, you know, I wanna. 'Cause look at me. Just like riding the back. Oh, was that the target?
Nope.
Okay, maybe my reflexes aren't what they were, but I'm pretty sure I more than make up for that with wisdom? I don't know. Something. All I do know is that I was born to fly this bird, and after 20... Wait, how long ago was... God damn. After a 30-year time out, I'm well rested and ready to roll. Some people might call this a midlife crisis. I call it a midlife opportunity. And when opportunity knocks, I'm the guy that...
Altitude.
I'm that guy. You'll see. Soon. Ish. I mean, no promises, but you know, I'm coming.